Let's solve this together. It says x is equal to square root of x raised to the power of square root of x. Now let me establish some facts before we start. So, as you can see here, you have to take the square root of x. The first condition is that you can only take the square roots of a positive number. Okay? Because you can only take the square root of a positive number, it invariably means that x should be positive. Okay? It should be positive, not negative, positive. And whilst x is positive, it means that x can also be equal to 0. So the range of value for x is that x is greater than or equal to 0. Okay? Meaning that if you draw a number line, you have 0 here, you have negative infinity, you have positive infinity. Okay? X starts from here, you shade, and you arrow it this way. Alright? Now, after establishing these facts, we can now solve this. We have x to be equal to root x raised to the power of root x. Now, root of x can be established or can be said to be equal to x to the power of half. So we have x to be equal to x to the power of half or raised to power root of x. From product law, we say that this becomes equal to x is equal to x raised to power root of x over 2. Alright? Now, at this point, you can take the natural log of both sides. So natural log of x is equal to natural log of x raised to power root of x over 2. From the laws of logarithm, this comes over to multiply this. Okay, so the power will multiply this log. So we have natural log of x to be equal to root of x over 2 times natural log of x. Okay, now crossing this over to this side, we have natural log of x minus root of x over 2 multiplying natural log of x is equal to 0. Let's factor out natural log of x. So we have natural log of x to be equal to, multiplied by 1 minus root of x over 2 to be equal to 0. Now, at this point, you can see that this multiplied by this is equal to 0. And when two things multiply to give you 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it is either that natural log of x is equal to 0 or 1 minus root x over 2 is equal to 0. Now for the first condition, natural log of x is equal to 0. Okay, this invariably means that what? It means that e raised to the power 0 is equal to x. Okay, and anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So it means that x is equal to 1. Okay, or for this condition, we have that 1 minus root of x over 2 is equal to 0. Okay, hence 1 is equal to root of x over 2. Root of x becomes equal to 2, and then x is equal to 4. Hence x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 1. Okay, so these are the two answers for this equation. Thanks for watching.